sister Samantha, and this is sister Talia, and today we'll be doing a few of my favorite head wraps. Bless you. Shalom saints. So now what we're going to do is fold these right here. We're going to put the end with the frizzies inside, and then this right over.
Purchase your tracks today.
I'm going to do the same thing on this side.
Just and true, are you so keen of Israel?
This is the beautiful baguette.
It's Bible verse time!
Train up a child in the way, so when he is older, he will not depart from it. Proverbs 22:6. So, for our second head wrap, we are doing a bun in the back. We're going to be tying around in the back with two of our things. And it's also optional if you have it hanging by the side. So, what we're going to do is this.
As I declare your beauty, you're gracious and full of compassion, slow to anger.
So for this head wrap, all we're going to be doing is doing this one around.
Speak of your glory, your kingdom, and your sweet fame. Your dominion and do it through generation. Give up creation to me in due season. Uphold the righteous, but never we freeze us the prayer.
So for this one, we're just going to be bringing it over to the side and tying it right here. So now for this head wrap, we're going to open up this side, put it across, fold this at the top a little bit, and make sure the ear is covered. Right here. So for our next head wrap, I'm going to bring one over to this side and then tie it right here.
Purchase your tracks today.
For this head wrap, wait, you've already tied this in the front. And now what we're going to do is twist this in the front.
Just and true, are you so keen of Israel? How great
Purchase your tracks.
1 Timothy chapter 1, verse 7. Yahweh has not given me the spirit of fear, but of love, power, and a sound mind. This is a special dish. So, I'm going to be doing the same head wrap, but it's going to be like the baguette. And I'm going to be doing it across my head.
every day I should bless your name. Has a reason with you.
Now I'm just going to tuck it in the back.
Power is so untouched.
Here's the joke of the day. What happens when you cross a vampire and a snowman? You get frostbite. Bloopers. I'm doing a few of my favorite head wrap styles, like that. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, a great job.
She does a great job on what?
My head wrap.
Hallelujah.
Okay. Cut it. Cut. 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 Cut it. Cut it. I love this. C-U-T. Cut. Cut.
Bible verse time.
She's getting all this on video.
So,
Bible
this
time.
I am the man. Alright, put it up.
Bum, bum, bum. I can't feel my crown. Where's my crown? They and
Now, what I'm going to do is, wait, hold up. Cut it.